Hi everybody, I'm back. Brenda, MAINEiac Grammie. We're going to make blueberry banana bread. That's right, I haven't made this for a very long time and I'm cleaning out my freezer and see all the good things that was in there that I could use to make something. So we need 2 cups of the original Bisquick mix, 3/4 cups of quick cooking oats, 2/3 cups of sugar, 1 cup of mashed very ripe bananas, probably about 2 medium, a 1/4 cup of milk, 2 eggs, 1 cup of fresh or frozen blueberries. I got some Maine blueberries I'm using today. And then you're going to heat the oven at 350, put it in a bread pan about a 9 by 5 by 3. You're going to spray the bread pan, put some flour on it, then we're going to pour the blueberries in, we're going to mix it, and let's get started. I'm going to pan you down, see what we come up with. Okay, here we go. We've got the Bisquick right here going in, just like that. We got 3/4 cups of quick oats. And don't worry about trying to write this down because it will be all in the description box below. 1 cup of mashed bananas, very ripe mashed bananas, and we'll give it a little help right here. Get it all. I'm wondering what this would taste like either in a French toast or maybe toasted. I don't know, I might give it a try. And now you need a 1/4 cup of milk. Pour it right in, just like that. We need 2 eggs. I always put my eggs in a different container because you never know what surprises you may get. No one knows what we may get. Here's 1. I'll spread it out a little. And there's 2. And let me see here. We've got sugar that needs to go in as well. There you have it. All we have left is the blueberries. And we're going to give this a good stir. My directions said about 30 minutes. You want it till everything's wet and incorporated. And of course I'd choose my arm that I'm having trouble with. And I don't think I can stir with this one. No, I can't. Oh well. As I say, suck it up, buttercup. Deal with it. We'll find out here pretty soon what's going on with the arm. I'm finally got an appointment next week with everything with this crazy virus going on. Everything's been shut down. So now things are opening, I can find out and be able to do a lot more. Ooh, this smells good. I'm a smell person. I always say if it smells good, it's going to taste good. This is almost mixed up. Taking me a little longer than a normal person that could probably mix it, but like I said, with a shoulder arm problem going on, I don't got it in me right now. Even though I think I'm pretty strong. Yeah, we're gonna call that pretty good. So I took my Maine blueberries. These are the wild low bush. And I put flour, about a teaspoon of flour, and I mix it in and I coat them really well so that way they don't stick together. Whoa, I don't like to hit my bowls. That should be a trivia question. Trivia is coming up soon. What don't I like to do when I'm cooking? I don't like to hit bowls or bang my utensils. Just like that. Oh gosh, I did it again. So not like me. My grandmother taught me never to do it. Because back in those days, the Great Depression time, they couldn't afford to go out and buy new pans. There, we're just going to incorporate the blueberries in. Just like this. I'm just going to kind of fold them over. But this is going to be a beautiful color. I may have to freeze some of this and try it in French toast. I had a feeling it would be really yummy. Okay, so I got my bread pan here, all sprayed and coated with some flour. And the only kind of flour I use, which could be another trivia question, is King Arthur. No matter what, baking breads, whatever I bake, pie, cookies, cakes, all-purpose King Arthur flour. I don't get endorsed for saying that, but I really like King Arthur. This is gonna make a nice little loaf. Just like this. We're gonna put it in the oven at 350 for about 45 minutes. I'll check. 45 minutes to an hour I have. And then I have a little smiley face beside it. So I shall let you know exactly how long it took. And there you have it right there. So what I'll do is I will come back and show you what it looks like when it's out of the oven. And again, it's going in at 350 for about 45 minutes to an hour. And it smells wonderful. Look at the blueberries. It's gonna be a beautiful color, I think. We'll be back. Okay, folks, out of the oven, wicked, wicked hot. I've got to wait for it to cool. I'll take it out of the pan and I'll see if I can get a taste tester somewhere. We'll wait and see what happens, but it smells amazing. The whole kitchen smells great. Berry banana bread is done, and I have a skew right here. And how I like to make sure it's done is you take the skew and you poke it in just like this. And when it comes out, it's clean. That means it's all baked through, all the way through. Now this took an hour for me to bake. Now I've got to let it cool some more, and then we'll see if we can find a tester to try the bread. We're back and we have our surprise guest. Guess who it is? It's Ray.
That would be me.
That would be him. He just got home from work, and I said, quick, try this bread. It's not quite cool, but it's good. It's blueberry banana bread. Do you like that, Ray?
I'll let you know in a minute.
Okay. You got one that's got butter on it and one that doesn't.
Okay.
Now, please tell everybody how you feel about fruits and vegetables.
I don't eat many fruit and vegetables at all.
Why's that?
Well, I grew up eating this stuff and I never liked it. So when I was 17 years old, I told my parents at the table, and I still thought I was going to get in trouble. I think I'm old enough not to eat my vegetables. And they still, like I said, I thought I was going to get in trouble, and they said, yeah, we think so too. So I've not eaten very many vegetables since then.
How about fruit?
Fruit, I'm not big on fruit. I just don't like it.
Now you got blueberries and bananas. How do you feel about bananas?
Bananas I will eat.
And what about blueberries?
Blueberries I'll eat a little bit. I like this, you know, they got sugar on them, so it makes them that much better.
So if you had a choice between dessert every meal or meat and rice, what would you prefer?
Well, you gotta eat the meat, but I mean, you know, I like a good dessert too.
All right, Ray, let's give it a try.
Okay, we got the one with butter.
Yes.
Looks good. Looks banana and blueberry bread, I think. Can you see it?
I can see it. Yes, I can.
Okay, here we go. Looks good. Looks good.
It is good? How's the sugar taste on that? I didn't think it was overpowering.
It's not. It's enough. It's just right. It's good. Yep.
And what about the other piece?
We're just about to try this one. This one here has no butter on it.
It has no butter.
But you got a lot of blueberries. You got a good blueberry taste.
And those are Maine
These
blueberries.
yes,
they are.
Maine blueberries. That's why they're so good.
Remember we went picking blueberries up to Mount Blue State Park? What do you think about that?
These must be the ones that I picked because they taste real good.
Oh yeah, I'm sure. I worked really hard that day and it was really hot.
She was picking too. We was picking in red, well, the cheap solo cups because that's all that we had.
That's all we had at the time because we didn't know we were gonna go pick blueberries. Yep. And we picked, I don't know, 10 cups maybe. It was quite a few.
Picked quite a few. It was good picking.
Okay, so how would you rate this? To 1 through 10, A, B, C?
I would say at least a 10 because you cooked it. It's gotta be good, right?
Oh, good. Thanks, Ray. All right, Ray. Thank you for taste testing the blueberry banana bread.
Good.
And
Very
maybe
good.
we can get him test again.
I hope.
All right. If you like this, please give me thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
And you never know what's going to be on our videos. Please stay safe and healthy.
God bless.
God bless.
Bye.
We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.